Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing for you guys. As you guys probably have seen in the thumbnail and in the title, this is a Tiffany's unboxing. It was a gift. I'm not going to say from who or for what reason, just because for privacy purposes. Or just because I don't really have to share that detail, but just know that it's a gift and I did not buy it with my own money, because we all know I'm a broke college student. So yeah, I have just cut open into it, but I haven't opened it just because I already know what's in here. But I did want to share the experience with you guys because I just love doing unboxing for nicer things with you guys. I just don't buy that much makeup, and like Bath and Body Works hauls are like great and all, but you know, sometimes it's nice to have like those special ones. So I just opened up the lid here. Oh look, I have to cut into like these. See, true unboxing. Look, it doesn't even let me open it. Is this enough to open it? No, I have to keep cutting. Curses security, but also thank you security. I love how discreet it is because we have like porch thieves a lot. We don't really have a porch, but like the way that the house is, like you can see if there's a package. So I knew this was arriving today, so I've been on call. And it's wrapped quite nicely, like very discreet. You don't even know it's Tiffany's until you open the box. And it's wrapped in beautiful Tiffany paper. So it comes like this, all sandwiched. I really don't even want to like undo the gift wrap because it's so like, wah! When am I ever going to use Tiffany wrapping ever again? Probably just to like do the typical little bag decor, which I love doing, so that's probably what I'll do. And I'm like looking at this as if it had anything. It's just the invoice, I think, for it's like the gift invoice. Yeah, and if like you wanted to return it or alterations. Comes with a little card, which I don't even know if this is like, I think it is a card, but because it just got sent to me, there's probably nothing in it. But shall we open the beautiful Tiffany blue box? Oh, I just love the way that they do the ribbon. It's just always so unique. My ribbons never look like that when I tied stuff, when I gift wrapped like children's clothing when I worked at Gymboree. Meh. So sad. Are we ready to see what it is? Did they really put it in the thing? Yeah, they put it in the little pouch. Wow, I don't think I've ever had that before. I think every time I've gotten something, it's always been in the squishy thing. And then it has like the little care instructions. Yeah, usually it's like here, but usually it's a different item, so maybe that's why it's in the little pouch so it wouldn't move around. I just love the pouches, so cute. It's like a little bag of gold, but instead it's a little bag of Tiffany's. I know, I'm probably so annoying, but you know what, whatever. Dun dun dun. It is a bracelet, and it is the Return to Tiffany's bracelet. So it is the bracelet that's on a double chain, and it's just so dainty. Oh, I love it. Honestly, my best friend had this and I've been wanting it, and I mean now I have it, because I don't have that many like nice bracelets, and the ones that I do have, like, do I really have, yeah, they're like gold, and I don't really have any silver. So oh my gosh, it fits my wrist quite nice. I mean, it's still gonna move around because I have smaller wrists, but because it's sterling silver, I don't really have to take it off, and I just want jewelry that I don't have to take off. That's what I'm trying to build up in my collection right now. It's just so cute. I love it. I think I'm actually, see, this is the thing. So I'm a lefty, and usually on my right hand, like all of my other jewelry has been gold. So I feel like I should put it on my left. I don't understand what's so amusing. And I'm purposely gonna leave this in so he can hear it and maybe be quiet next time I ask him to be quiet because I'm gonna film. But I'm a lefty and I'm just like, I'm just kind of concerned that I'm gonna hit it because I am a lefty. But then on my right hand, I always have like gold or rose gold, so I don't know what I should do. I mean, I know it's not gonna stay pretty forever as I just drop it, but I'm really excited that she's joining my fine jewelry collection. What do you guys think? I think it's cute. I have the Return to Tiffany's necklace. That's like the classic heart, and now I have the bracelet and I'm so happy. But yeah, short and sweet. I just wanted to do this quick video for those who wanted to watch it, and yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys on my next video.